Okay na?
Video na, okay na.
Okay, here we are in Mall of Asia.
Wow.
This is the fountain. Me and my cousin, we going to the Mall of Asia.
Greet mo naman ako, birthday ko ngayon.
Happy birthday, cousin.
Kuwang-kuha.
There's the car. Probably we're going down.
Pwede naman eh, kuwang-kuha kahit di tayo papasok.
Okay. It's my cousin turn. Hey cousin. Hi.
Birthday to me.
Happy birthday. How old are you now? How old are you?
28 na.
Ay.
Di dapat tayong dalawa?
Okay.
Pwede yan. Yan lang natin. Tahin natin yan. Yan. Dapat ako, ikaw yung humahawak kasi
Okay,
pas
sige.
yung kamay ko ka disgrasya. O, diba kuwang-kuha yan o. Aba, Rita, dyan, ayan, kuha na. Tapos, doon sa kabila, dito tayo sa fountain.
Oh, yan,
Asan yung
fountain.
fountain?
Yan. It's the fountain.
Oh,
Yan
yan.
with us.
Sombrero mo na lang yan eh.
Look, oh.
Ah.
It's my cousin, man. Yeah. How about me? I'm here. Where's I?
Kuwang-kuha yung location niya.
Oh. Mall of Asia. Tulog na po yata yun, ah. Nang isang puputo lang kayo.